guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ivy Nganga, and if this is your first time on my channel, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something very exciting for me. It's my first time trying out a look with loose glitter. It's a look that I've been wanting to do for quite a while, and I'm so happy I finally did it. So today I created this glitter winged kind of look. So I hope that you guys will love this video. I hope that you will enjoy it. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every single time I post a video. So if you would like to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching the video. So I'm going to start with priming my eyes using my NYX eyeshadow primer, because I'm just going to be adding a bit of eyeshadow so that my eyeliner glides through. I'm going to use that very light brown color called Punch Me. That is from my Morphe X James Charles palette. So yeah, that's the one. So I just didn't want any color. I just wanted to have like a smooth base for my eyeliner so that, you know, my eyeliner just glides through, like I said. I'm not going to take my eyeliner. This is just a random eyeliner that I got from a shop in town. So you can just use whatever eyeliner you prefer. This is really not the best, I have to say, but I think it will do a good job. Like, it will do the job for today, basically. So as you can see, I'm just drawing the line. I just start with the line. Oh, I forgot to say that I added the tape just so that it ends up being as crisp and as neat as possible. This is just to make the work easier, just in case anyone is wondering. So I'm just going to do the same on the same side, and even though, you know, it was a bit hard because this was my left side, I can say that I managed. I had to like draw over it a bit more than I did the other one, and then I just glided through once again. It was a bit messy, but then I don't think that's a problem because that's the exact place where I would have filled in the space. Yeah, so I'm just going to finish the front part, and then I'm going to take that eyelash glue. This is the Kiss eyelash glue, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use my eyeliner brush. I just take a bit of that at the back of my hand, and that's the eyeliner brush that I'm using. The reason I prefer to use an eyeliner brush is because it's very thin and precise. I'm going to be using that J-Cut Beauty glitter. That's the loose glitter. I'm just going to write for you guys the name because I don't remember it. So what I do is I just apply the eyelash glue on my eyeliner on that empty space like I'm doing, and then I'm just going to dip my brush into the glitter, get rid of the excess, and then I'm just going to pop it on as I'm going to show you guys. So I think this other side is actually a better view for you guys. So what I just do is I pop that on, and it's just a matter of preference. If you prefer to have like a lot of it, you just keep going back and forth until you get your desired look. So once I was done, I just added a bit of mascara before adding my lashes. So I'm just going to add my lashes off camera because I don't want the video to be so long. For my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with that purple color called Single, and I'm just going to use my eyeshadow brush. That's a bit of a dense brush, just to blend that on my lower waterline. I think I've already added my eyeliner, but if not, I am also going to be doing that. I'm now just adding a bit of lower lash mascara to finish off the look. We are now going to move to the face. I noticed that you guys couldn't really see that primer, but that's the Rimmel London primer, and I'm going to put like a photo for you guys, so don't worry. So I'm just massaging that into my skin before I go in with foundation. I like to do this just to make sure that it's absorbed into the skin properly. Then I'm going to go in with my Revlon Color Stay foundation. This is like a really good foundation. I love this foundation so much. And then I'm using a flat foundation brush just to blend that out. Then I'm also going to go over it using a blender for that really blended look. I've now added my highlighting concealer and the contour, and I'm using the Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan to highlight and Beautiful Bronze to contour. I'm just blending out the contour, and this is just after leaving it for a few minutes to get the desired coverage. For that under eye concealer, I'm just going to use a sponge because I feel like it just blends better and it's kind of also faster. So I'm just going to blend that out before I move on to the rest of my face. I'm now going to set everything using my black opal powder, and I'm not going to be baking. I'm just going to press that product into my face, and then if there's any excess powder, I'm just going to brush it out. I however always bake my T-zone and the contour lines just to make it nice and precise. I'm now going to bronze, and I'm going to use those two shades as I always do. That's 10% off and no beans from the Morphe X James Charles palette. So I just bronze right above the contour just to add a bit of warmth to my face. I'm also going to add a bit of warmth to my forehead, so I always also bronze my forehead because my foundation sometimes feels a bit lighter because my forehead is a bit darker. I had said this in a previous video. Then I go over it using my sponge, the one that I had used for foundation and powder, just to blend the two together. I'm now going to take my LA Girl pressed powder. This is in the shade Classic Tan, I believe. And I'm just going to use that to get rid of the excess powder as I also set the rest of my face. What this does is that it prevents flashback, and of course setting the rest of your face ensures that your makeup stays on longer. I'm now going to go into my Blush Neutrals palette, and I'm going to use that color to blush. I love using that color because I just feel like it works for pretty much every single look that I use. Then I'm going to go into that eyeshadow that is just like a shimmery color. I'm not sure, this is not like a very gold-ish color, not like the one that I was previously using. I just found out that that's not the best color for me to use because the glitter in that particular shadow was just highlighting more of my texture. So if you have textured skin, you should probably use a highlighter that has, I don't know, maybe like finer glitter is what I would say. So I've decided to switch to that one, and I think it works pretty well for me. I'm now going to go to the lips, and I'm going to be using those two lippies. This first one is a black up, like deep burgundy color. I don't remember the shade, not the number, the shade. I'll just write it for you guys. And then I'm going to add this nude pink lipstick that I always use on this channel. And the reason I was mixing them is because I found that when I do that, it just turns into this really beautiful purple color. So I'm just going to blend those two together to get my purple color. And this is the final look, you guys. How pretty does it look? I feel like even my face just turned out so well. That is the eye look. That is how the wing liner turned out. That's the view from the side. I love this look. I love the way it turned out, and I'm definitely going to be incorporating this liner in so many of my other looks. I think it's just so freaking amazing. I hope that you guys loved this video. I hope that you will be trying this wing look for yourselves. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.